dancers. It is myself once again, and always by my side, Miss Stephanie. Finger twirling, Miss Stephanie. We are again outside here in Virginia. We're going to show you a brand new move, never shown, shared, taught ever before, but we want to share with you guys. Hope you like it. It's cool. It's called Groovin. Now I'm going to attempt to groove. Hope it looks good. Leave me a comment, say if it does or not. If you don't think I look good, don't be mean. Sugar push first. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Works really well with a cool song. Okay, so that's up to you with the song. But this is our cool little move we're gonna share with you. How it begins. Now, if you have somebody that dances with you all the time, they could pick this up the very first time. But if you dance with someone never seen it, may not understand it as well, show it to them first. She'd appreciate it. Sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're gonna go to 3 first. So 1, 2, 3. Then show you how to do it. So 1, 2, 3. I'm on my left, Stephanie's on her right. What I have to do, leaders, coming in on 1, pull her in on 1. Take my right hand, switch it into her right hand for 2. See, we're crossing paths with each other. And then take my left hand, which is free, and also hers, and pick up her left with mine by 3. So I'm on my left, Stephanie's on her right. So you want to be leaning out by 3 for both. Sugar push first. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3. Then take my hand, drape it overhead. Don't hit her in the head, but drape it over enough to where it feels smooth and not too rough. So the next count is 4. You are not moving the weight of your feet. You stay on 4. So sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just compressing if I need, snap my fingers if I want, but 1, 2, 3, hold on 4. All right? So Stephanie doesn't move because I don't make her move. If she's back on her right foot on 3 and she doesn't feel me pulling her or turning her or anything, we're just going to stay for the extra count for 4. So on a sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Now I'm going to come up onto my right foot, put my weight on it, pulling her up onto her left foot for 5, and then I hold for 6. So there's a pause on 4, pause on 6. So how that looks a little bit faster is sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6. And now we're the closest to each other by 6. The next count is a rock step, which is called 7, 8. We got to do the rest of it because it kind of flows into the rest. So on a sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Now I'm going to back up off the track by 7, 8, to give her at least enough clear of a view down the track to go. But to get into that again, we're going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6. Now I'm on my right, Stephanie's on her left. We're just going to rock step her. So I'm going to go 1, 2. That's all it is. That's a rock step. She does a triple step, and then I get back on the track to finish the sequence. So it's a rock step to finish, but actually it's just 1, 2. To see, let me show it to you. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Bunch of walks. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. So we're going to go sideways so you can see how that works. So on the sugar push, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We can go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6. Rock, step, triple. Okay? So that's the grooving part. Just got to groove. So if I go here, 2, 3, pop. When I'm done, 3 and 4 for triple. Now you can do more pops if you want. Make sure they're an even number and you're the closest to her to finish with the rock step. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like this. First time ever. Be kind. If I grooved well, I know she grooved well. She always does. I probably need help. So, thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe for a free video. We love you. We love your support. Until next time, have a great week. Keep dancing.